How to archive in Notion. Notion finally added a built-in archive feature so you can clean up your workspace without deleting anything. So the first way what I want to show you is, for example, you can archive some row which you don't need anymore in your database. So let's say I want to archive this first row. So I'm going to click on the 6 dots next to it, and I'm going to simply click on this archive button. So this is going to archive it. And now if you want to get it back, you just simply have to click on the settings and you want to click on view archived pages. And from here you can see everything what is archived, and you can simply select what you want to unarchived, and you want to click on those 3 dots again, and you want to click on Unarchive, right? So it's that simple. Now if we click on exit, we can see it again. And you can do this as well with a whole page. So you can go to your left sidebar and you can simply click on this 3 dots next to it, and you can archive a whole page. This page was archived by me on April 6th. Now if you want to unarchive it, it's very simple. You can also unarchive it from the recents, so you can find it over here and you can click on this button. Or if you can't find it, like you have so many pages, you want to go to 3 dots and you want to click on open in library, and from here you can find it. So it's this one, and I can select it. I can click on the 6 dots and I can click on unarchive. All right. And now we can again see it over here. So this was a quick video how you can archive in Notion. And if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.